Hi, I'm Jack Larsen. This is my little Jack Russell Lucy. I'm 2IC here at Longview Ltd on our beef and sheep finishing farm. It's a great place down here, down by the ocean, where the sea is plenty with fish. It's good. In the summertime we do a lot of fishing. It's a good spot to be. We've been using Delfast for at least 15 years on the place, and it's still going strong today. For a lot of years I spent a lot of my time battening with a hammer and nails on the home farm up Waitortra Valley, and found it was tedious and took a long time. And coming here and using Delfast, their battening gun, it was a bit of a no-brainer for me. The money you save in time is tenfold. The newer models can fit an extra row of staples in. The air hose swivel at the back is really comfortable, works well with your wrist movement, and overall the gun, it's not overly heavy, so you can batten all day and still do it again tomorrow. No sweat. It's a lot quicker, a lot faster. Overall, it's great to use.